Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chaudhary. I'm the Second Secretary and Commercial Attaché from the Indian Embassy. I'm representing here our Ambassador, His Excellency, Mr. Navdeep Suri. I'm happy to address you on the occasion of Inspire's partnership with Educom Solutions Limited to provide Educom digital solution to Egyptian educational institutions and society. Educom Solutions is the largest education company in India and is a diversified and innovative education solutions provider to schools across India, US, Southeast Asia over a decade. As already mentioned by Dr. Tariq, MKCL Arabia Limited is a subsidiary of Maharashtra Knowledge Commission Limited and is set up in August 2012 with an objective to provide e-learning, e-governance solutions to both Egyptian educational institutions as well as government organizations. So Educom products already Dr. Tariq and Mr. Soumyakanti has already explained their prime products. The two important products are the Smart Class and Ask and Learn e-learning solutions. So they already covered. So I am not going to talk anything about that. And in the afternoon session, they will be giving a detailed presentation on the two important products. So I wanted to say that the governments and the business communities in India and Egypt are working very closely to promote the dynamism in bilateral and economic relations. Many Indian companies have serious interest in looking for Egyptian business partners. In fact, at present, more than 50 Indian companies are operating in Egypt in almost all sectors with an investment of US $2.5 billion. And we have added one more company, that is MKCL Arabia Limited Inspire, to this list of companies. I'm sure that this partnership between Inspire and Educom Solutions will open up new opportunities for Egypt and India, especially in the field of education sector. Thank you, and